Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me.
Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video. New Year's Eve is just a few short days away, and one of my absolute favorite things about New Year's Eve is eating a delicious dessert. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a holiday tart. Not only is this tart super easy to make, it's packed with nutrition, it's wholesome, it's delicious, and you guys are going to absolutely love it. And I'm going to show you guys 3 toppings for this holiday tart. We're gonna make an apple topping, a mango topping, and a raspberry topping. We're also gonna make a very decadent whipped cream. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video, and be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this delicious holiday tart, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. In a food processor, we're going to add almond flour, tapioca flour, granulated sugar, I'm using monkfuit extract, pink salt, and some baking powder. We're going to give it a quick pulse. Next, we're going to add our wet ingredients. So I'm adding lemon extract, highly recommend using this, along with some vanilla extract, some melted coconut oil, and some non-dairy milk. I'm using unsweetened oat milk. And we're gonna just pulse this until it combines. This recipe is so incredibly easy, and I love it because it's dairy-free and vegan, so everyone can enjoy it. When it gets to be this consistency, it's perfect. Then we're gonna grab our tart pans. I love these tart pans, they're so cute. I will link these in the description box below if you wanna check them out. And you really can't go wrong here. You're just pressing it into the mold. If you don't have these, you could use any kind of mold that you have. Perfect. Once you have all of your tart pans filled, I'm poking a few holes, and then we're gonna bake it. All of the instructions will be in the description box below. Look at how perfect these little tarts look. I love them. Now let's make the apple topping. So I've peeled these apples, and I'm just gonna chop them into bite-sized pieces. I highly recommend chopping these as uniform as you can into small pieces. It will just make for a better consistency with the tart. And I'm adding some lemon zest and some lemon juice. Not only does this help prevent it from browning, but it also gives it such a great flavor. Then in a small saucepan, I'm combining the apples with coconut sugar and water and just stirring it together. Then I'm gonna add some cinnamon and a little bit of pink salt. I'm adding a cornstarch slurry, and we want to cook these apples until they are absolutely perfect because the tart is already cooked. These will not cook any further, so when they're like this, it's perfect. Now let's make the mango topping. So I'm adding mango puree. I found this at a local store. If you can't find this, you could also puree up some mango, and I'm adding some cornstarch directly to it before it's heated, and it's perfect. Now let's make the raspberry topping. I'm adding some frozen raspberries along with some granulated sugar. Here I'm using monkfuit extract once again. Use any kind that you like, along with some water. We're really looking to cook this down so it's more like a syrup. I'm adding a cornstarch slurry. Perfect. Now let's make our whipped topping. So I'm using coconut cream that I have kept inside of the refrigerator for at least 24 hours, and I'm only going to remove the cream part. And using a hand mixer, we're going to just mix it until it's completely smooth. This is so fast and easy. Again, I'm adding a granulated sweetener and just a hint of vanilla extract. Look at this whipped topping. It is so extremely decadent and delicious. So now let's decorate these delicious tarts. So I opted to keep that bottom part of the tart pan on it and just remove it while I'm eating it. So for one of them, I decided to spread some of the whipped topping right over the bottom of the tart, top it with some of that delicious apple, All of this has cooled, so I'm not adding anything hot. And another one, I decided to flip it and add the apple and the coconut cream on top. Then I spread some of that delicious mango puree over one of the tarts, topped it with some coconut cream. I spread some of that raspberry topping right over the tart. I did strain it to remove all of the seeds and added some frozen blueberries on top, along with some of that delicious whipped cream. You can sprinkle cinnamon on top. I added some lemon zest. It brings such freshness to the tarts. Have fun with these. You can add mint leaves like I'm doing here. You guys have got to try this recipe. It is so incredibly delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any recipe ideas you have for a future episode in the comments below. I'm gonna leave a playlist of more delicious desserts on the screen here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.